We're not at the factory. The factory is about 60 kilometers in that direction. And we are in San Blas, Panama today. This is an area I've heard about since I've been coming to Panama. And it's a beautiful spot. There's hundreds of islands. As you can see around me, there's an island over there, there's an island there, there's an island there, there's an island there. Just everywhere you look, there's these islands that are just sticking out of the water a little bit. And we were going by some of the islands on the way in on the motorboat, and they look really cute. They're out of like a travel magazine. They're like that one over there. It's just like if you have in your mind the picture perfect little deserted little island that you would draw or see in a contest with amazing travel photos, it would be like that island. So I have my drone. I'm going to fly it over there and do a little circle and check it out. And maybe we'll take the boat over there as well and see what it looks like. It looks pretty nice from here. The water is crystal clear, blue. It's gorgeous. I have my snorkel gear with a GoPro attached, so we'll be able to snorkel around the area. And there's a sunken ship right there, I believe. So I'm going to check that out and see what that looks like. Usually when you have things like a ship that's sunk, lots of fish. It becomes a habitat for life. So it becomes a place where fish go. And so we'll check it out, see if we can get some fish on camera. There's probably going to be quite a few. And yeah, this is a different kind of day for me. I don't usually get a day off from the office. In fact, I usually work 7 days a week, all day, every day. And for me to take a day off, I had to plan like a week ahead and try to get through as much as I could and clear my desk for a day. And unfortunately, that did not happen. It got busier, stuff comes up. So I just left anyway. I said, okay, screw it. I'm going to go and take the day off. So I'll deal with the repercussions tomorrow. But yeah, I'm looking forward to getting in the water. It is 9:15, so we have the whole day ahead of us. So we're going to do some video underwater, over the water, water level, every which way I can. So we'll post a few more updates today, and see you soon.